Hi, and welcome to the Dutch Survival Kit. In just 10 short lessons, you will learn the basics of the Dutch language in order to survive your vacation or your first few weeks in our lovely Kikkerlandje. My name is Aleid van der Voren and I'm a Dutch teacher based in Amsterdam. The Dutch Survival Kit is a series of videos you can watch for free on YouTube, or you can purchase access to extra exercises and explanations on my website. The cost is just €5 per lesson or 40 for the entire course. You can find the link in the description of each video. All videos besides this one are in Dutch, so you can get used to the sounds of our language. But don't worry, in your settings in YouTube you can find English subtitles to help you out. First things first, the full name of our country is Koninkrijk der Nederlanden, but we all just say Nederland. A Dutch man is a Nederlander and a woman a Nederlandse. The name of our language is Nederlands. Note the S at the end of that. Also, let's get you started on some greetings. When you meet someone or when you enter a hotel or a restaurant or a bus, you can say Goedendag, Goedemorgen, Goedemiddag, Goedenavond, depending on the time of day. These are somewhat formal. With friends or colleagues, you can be less formal and use hoi, hallo, hey, morgen. The last one is an abbreviation of goedemorgen, just like English morning. It is very informal though. When you leave, you can also say goedendag, goedemorgen, goedemiddag, but again, it's somewhat formal. A better choice is dag, or even better, fijne avond, prettig weekend. And you can add the word verder to that. Fijne avond verder. Verder is somewhat hard to translate in this context. It just means that you hope the rest of their evening is pleasant. With friends, you can be less formal again and say doeg, doei, doei doei. And we have a lot of regional options, such as aju, ajus, houdoe, mazzel. Finally, we can make all sorts of combinations with tot. Tot ziens is the most basic one, which means until we see each other again. But you can also be more specific. If you know you see someone the same day, you can say tot zo or tot straks, or you can add a specific moment. Tot maandag, tot de volgende keer. Good. Well, that was the introduction to this course. I hope to see you again in other videos. For now, doei!